Discovered files with the CryptoMite extension indicating ransomware infection? Unfortunately, your system has been compromised by Cryptomite Ransomware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain your options for recovering files affected by this ransomware variant. Don't close the guide if the Cryptomite file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional high success rate method designed for deep format errors. A file with the CryptoMite extension has been encrypted by a variant of the CryptoMix or CryptoShield ransomware. Users discover this extension after a cyberattack has rendered their personal documents, photos, and other data inaccessible, prompting them to search for decryption tools or recovery methods. The file is a standard user file, e.g. CHIN, a JPG or DOCX, that has been processed by a strong encryption algorithm like AES or RSA. The original data is overwritten with ciphertext, and the file is renamed. This design's sole purpose is to make the data unreadable without the attacker's private key. None malware from unknown should be your first choice when attempting to open Cryptomite. To maintain file health, avoid direct interaction using Windows Explorer alone. Windows offers minimal information, so decrypting the data requires software with the right key. Let's start the elimination process. Right-click your Cryptomite file, then click Open With. Try None malware first, and if that fails, immediately test the next application in the list. If you still cannot open your Cryptomite file, that is okay. You're dealing with a truly tricky Cryptomite file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, checking for decryptors. Visit nomoreransome.org and check for available decryption tools for Cryptomite ransomware. Security researchers occasionally develop decryptors for ransomware variants when implementation flaws are discovered, or law enforcement seizes attacker infrastructure. Submit a sample encrypted file and ransom note to identify the exact variant and check decryption availability. Next, restoring from backups. Restore affected files from clean backups predating the ransomware infection. Check Windows file history cloud storage like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox version history, and external backup drives. Verify ransomware removal using Malwarebytes or similar anti-malware tools before restoring to prevent immediate re-encryption of recovered files. Finally, reporting the attack. Report ransomware attacks to law enforcement through ic3.gov in the US or your country's cybercrime reporting agency. Do not pay the ransom as payment funds further criminal activity without guaranteeing decryption. Reporting helps law enforcement track ransomware groups and sometimes leads to arrest and decryption key recovery for affected victims. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.